So today's the 27th of December, and here's NVFY this morning, Nova Lifestyle. This was a perfect pre-market setup. They had some news released around 7:45 about, they're going to do a little bit of blockchain, and they're trying to innovate a type of blockchain tracking system that is going to be used with designers and customers, kind of in a fashion type retail furniture industry. And I think, looking at the company in the background, I think this was just a play to try to piggyback on the Bitcoin craze. Because the last couple months, a lot of these small companies have been just trying to release any sort of PR mentioning the term blockchain or Bitcoin or anything like that to try to get these pops. And it works, but sometimes they just don't hold, especially on a company like NVFY, who's known for its frequent spikes and crashes. So, lately, the last 10 days or a couple weeks, we've had a lot of pre-market spikes and crashes. So this morning, it was pretty clear that the probability was high that it would just be doing the same thing that it did a few days ago. So this morning, whenever it popped, we saw this green candle, and then it kind of cracked here into this red. This first red candle at around 8 a.m. Shorted into this, 3,500 shares. And I wanted to film it live, but it all happened so fast, and they were running out of shares to borrow. So sold 3,500 this morning at 750 at 326, and then at 754, just in a matter of 5 minutes, it covered down at 288 into this big crack. So shorted it here and kind of lucked out into a nice cover. I should have held it, till now. It's at around 250, but I didn't know with the whole blockchain Bitcoin craze if this was going to bounce back, because I have seen a couple this past month that have run into the active market. So just took the money and got out. But that was a nice $1,300 gain, and this is a replicable strategy. And I'm working on a full video. It'll be a few hours with a couple weeks of live trading examples and a breakdown of all the data and supporting data with these certain strategies that you can use over and over. So keep checking back for that. I should be done with that by, within the next few months. And it's going to have a lot of examples like these. But these pre-market breaks are nice plays if you can get your hand on shares and if you can find them quickly. So NVFY, great opportunity this morning. $1,300. This is what it's all about.